interesting, small size and portability are the reasons why we like little drones, but sometimes we may get annoyed with the battery life. Today we are gonna review this JJRC H345. Compare it to the others, it's not a drone but two drones which could solve a problem with a battery. If one's dead, take out the other one. Inside the box there are two drones, a transmitter, charging cable, user menu, and a QR code. It's an AI game that you can play when getting bored. Flying is similar to the little other drones which has functions like headless mode, 1-key return and 3D flips. And it's easy to control. Last but not least, the speed of the 3D flips is fast and you will love it. To sum up, I would say it's a nice toy. Nice looking, foldable design and easy to control. The drones have a built-in battery. To charge it, just need to plug the cable. Simple.
Life can't help but be struck.
The included camera shoots up to 2.7K Ultra HD video at 30 frames per second and captures 12 megapixel still photos in JPEG or RAW format.
Simply connect your mobile device to the Phantom and turn your camera into a live bird's eye view from the sky. This real-time HD view runs on built-in Wi-Fi, enabling you to see everything. Take pictures and video instantly, and access a wealth of other features as you fly over half a mile away. The Phantom 3 Standards motors have been upgraded to be even more efficient, giving you up to 25 minutes of flight time with each battery. Built-in GPS and state-of-the-art intelligent flight systems combine to give you peace of mind as you fly. With the Phantom's auto hover capabilities and return to home making every time you use it easy and safe.
We're also very excited to announce intelligent flight modes. Follow Me mode allows the Phantom to autonomously follow you wherever you go. Point of Interest tells your Phantom to do perfect circles around a set point while keeping your camera steady and pointed at the subject.
Get the party, get the blast, get